y'all can see. The weather's been awful, man. It's been super windy, super cloudy, but y'all been watching the videos, man. Obviously, there's some differences, some changes. Yesterday I went to pick and pull and I got a ton of parts. Center vents and the shifter bezel. And I know that the vents on this one is broken, but it's way better than the one I had in the car before. The vents were literally falling out, so this doesn't really matter for me right now. All the clips were there, and then this was mint condition. Actually, the interior that I got this stuff off, even the steering wheel, it was all mint, bro. It was pristine condition. It was a V6 car, but it was just immaculate inside. I should have grabbed everything I needed. I should have grabbed the door panels. I should have grabbed everything. But, you know, I just didn't want to spend that much money yesterday. I also got this steering wheel, which is actually like super mint condition. There's no cracks, like the leather is all intact. There's no signs of tearing anywhere. The airbag is brand new. And I know you guys dig the Grant steering wheel setup. I'm actually probably gonna go back to it. But since I bought this car for 6 years now, it's never had a functioning horn. It's never had a functioning cruise control, so I've always wanted to get a stock wheel that had the functioning horn and cruise control. I haven't tested out the cruise control, but the horn does work. In my opinion, the stock steering wheel doesn't look bad to me. I don't know, a lot of people hate the stock steering wheel look. It is kind of big. I mean, I got used to the Grand steering wheel, which is like a 350 millimeter wheel, versus it's probably like a 370, more like almost 390. But honestly, I'm gonna rock it for a while. Let me know what you guys think of. Let me know if y'all just want me to put in the Grand steering wheel back on. I mean, it did look cooler, but at the same time, it kind of looked tacky. I don't know. As I get older, the more I want to do more like OEM plus modifications. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know what it is. But I've been seeing a lot of like Cobras and a lot of new edges with the stock wheel, and I'm just like, damn, I wish I had the stock wheel, and now I do. So I'm gonna rock it for a little bit. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, we'll see how long it lasts. This one is gonna be temporary, obviously, because it's broken. I'm gonna get a brand new one from LMR. They sell this whole thing brand new. This is pretty much what I said last video I wanted. I wanted to get the stock black because mine were painted. This looks much cleaner to me. But yeah, man. I also got a clock spring too, by the way. I haven't tested out the cruise control, but I'm guessing that it still works. Okay, so now that I'm looking at it, the steering wheel is kind of off center. So yeah, that's not good. I'm gonna have to fix that. It's off by like a good amount, man. There's some give when you install the steering wheel. I did install it with the lock on, so maybe that's why it feels that way, but it's a simple fix. I'll just take the airbag out and reclock it. I installed this last night. It was like 9 o'clock when I finished. I just wanted to get it done. And that's why it is how it is, man. Off center, man. Driving me crazy right now. God damn it. be a lot of talking in this video. I just wanted to take it out for a drive and just kind of record the POV drive. I'm gonna head to O'Reilly's right now, pick up some things that I need, and probably just head back home. Here we are, man, O'Reilly Auto Parts. All right, I'm gonna go into the store. I'll pick you guys up when I'm out. All right, man, back from the store. I'm gonna head home and I'm gonna try to fix the steering wheel. I'm trying to straighten it up. I can't straighten it up. I'm probably just gonna put the crank back on. Yeah, I can't be driving around like this, man. But we'll see if I can get that fixed. Right now when I get home, I'm just gonna pop it off and try to reclock it. Feels really good right now. I don't know if it's the cold weather. The car feels freaking good. Like, I mean, feels spunky, man, I'm not gonna lie. I could have been an asshole and freaking beat this guy, but I'm be nice today, man. I'm gonna let him slide. Oh, he's driving a little slow, but it is what it is. Really hope I can get this fixed, man, because it's driving me crazy right now. I know that it's just by a little bit, bro. Oh shit, I got no gas too. Fuck. Still, man, driving like this ain't it. Can't deal with crooked steering wheels, bro. Dude, this street coming into my freaking neighborhood sucks, bro. I hate this street so much. I hate it when people do that, man. If you're facing the street and you got your freaking doors wide open, you deserve to get hit, man. Honestly, just kidding. I wanted to park up and say thank you guys, man. Thank you. I know in the last video we hit 100 subscribers. I said here's to 200. Well, bro, y'all made it happen. All got to 200 subscribers. I can't even speak, bro. I'm so grateful, bro, for all the comments, the words of encouragement, man. Like, you guys telling me that I'm doing a good job, and that just means everything to me. That we're at this point, we're about 220 subscribers, and man, I couldn't be more appreciative of you guys. 200 people, you know, I know to like some of y'all, 200 people subscribing or 200 subscribers isn't much. Like, so I know there's YouTubers with like 1 million subscribers and like you know, even 500,000 subscribers, you know, 10,000 subscribers, you know, I don't look at it that way. I try to imagine 200 people in like a classroom and all just looking at your creation, man. And it's just a blessing for real, because, you know, 200 people, that's a lot of people, and just super appreciative, super grateful for all you guys' continued support, the comments, you know, all the questions, you know. Even I love answering questions, man. You know, I'm always out here trying to fix my friends' cars and helping my friends fix their cars, and, you know, and fixing my own car, you know, learning every day. I'm not, you know, I'm not saying that I know it all, obviously, but, you know, I'm just learning every day. I'm learning every time I attack a new project, I learn something new, and I just love learning. If you guys have questions about this platform, about just any platform in general, just feel free to ask. You know, I try to reply to every single comment. Every comment that I've gotten, I've replied to. You know, there's some people that have hit me up on Instagram asking questions. I'm just happy to help. You know, I'm happy to answer questions. But yeah, man, 220 subscribers, man, y'all are killing it. I just couldn't be more grateful. Honestly, I don't have any other words to say other than, you know, I appreciate you guys 1000%. You know, like I said last video, I'm just gonna keep on recording videos and uploading them, and hopefully you guys stick around and continue to enjoy them. You know, you guys are just amazing, bro. But yeah, bro, that's gonna be the end of this video. Soon I will be uploading some more content with my boys. I'm gonna go back to my hometown, and we're gonna try to get some more races going. I'm gonna try to get them to record the car from the outside, and so you guys could hear how it sounds from their perspective. For now, that's gonna be it, man. Thank you guys for watching. Again, thank you all for 220 subscribers. You guys are amazing. And yeah, man, catch you guys on the next one. Peace.